Hey all, welcome back to Evolution Tech. Get ready for a game-changing ride. In today's reveal, Elon Musk unleashes the Tesla Cybertruck's futuristic upgrades, blending innovation, sustainability, and a challenge to the norm. Buckle up. This isn't just an unveiling, it's a revolution on wheels. In the ever-evolving landscape of electric vehicles, Elon Musk recently took center stage to reveal a host of exciting updates for the much-anticipated Tesla Cybertruck. Musk, known for his flair for theatrics, kicked off with a jaw-dropping demonstration showcasing the Cybertruck's enhanced durability. The once cracked window is now history, thanks to an improved exoskeleton material that makes the Cybertruck even more resistant to potential damage. Venturing beyond the surface, Elon Musk took a deep dive into the beating heart of the Tesla Cybertruck, its power and performance metrics. With an almost theatrical touch, Musk unraveled the intricacies that set this electric beast apart from the rest. The spotlight shone on the Cybertruck's heightened torque, a pivotal factor in its impressive performance on the road. Musk didn't merely present numbers, he painted a vivid picture of a machine designed to command attention and redefine expectations. The focal point of this revelation was the Cybertruck's revamped battery pack, a technological marvel designed to push the boundaries of electric vehicle capabilities. Musk, with his characteristic confidence, promised not just incremental improvements, but a substantial leap forward. The Cybertruck, armed with its enhanced battery technology, boasted the ability to cover longer distances without the haunting specter of range anxiety, even when carrying a substantial cargo load. This announcement had profound implications, especially for those who view long-haul journeys and cross-country adventures as integral aspects of their driving experience. The Cybertruck's extended range became a game-changer, not merely for urban commuting, but for those craving the freedom to embark on extended road trips without the constant worry of running out of battery power. In essence, Musk painted a vision where electric trucks, once tethered by range limitations, could now traverse vast landscapes with ease, redefining the narrative around the practicality of electric vehicles in extensive and demanding driving scenarios. By making cross-country adventures more feasible, Musk positioned the Cybertruck as not just an eco-conscious alternative, but a reliable companion for the avid traveler. It wasn't merely about covering distances, it was about reshaping the very notion of what an electric truck could achieve. In this way, Musk's unveiling of the Cybertruck's enhanced battery technology went beyond a technical upgrade. It was a strategic move to dismantle one of the persistent barriers hindering the widespread adoption of electric vehicles. In a deft pivot, Elon Musk directed the spotlight towards the heart of the driving experience, the interior of the Tesla Cybertruck. This move marked a departure from the conventional perception of trucks as utilitarian workhorses, hinting at a paradigm shift in how we view and interact with these vehicles. The unveiled interior wasn't just a functional space. It was a carefully crafted environment designed to challenge preconceived notions and elevate the overall driving experience. At the forefront of this interior transformation was a deliberate focus on comfort. Musk, with an eye for detail, introduced more comfortable seating materials, signaling a departure from the often Spartan interiors of traditional trucks. The Cybertruck, it seemed, was determined to redefine the narrative, not just as a practical mode of transportation, but as a haven of comfort for both driver and passengers alike. Beyond plush seating, Musk turned his attention to the tech-infused core of the Cybertruck's cabin. The advanced infotainment system unveiled promised a seamless integration with other Tesla services, presenting a holistic approach to in-vehicle technology. This wasn't merely about gadgets. It was about creating an immersive driving environment where technology enhances every aspect of the journey. The emphasis on a suite of driver-assisted technologies further underscored Musk's commitment to not just cutting-edge innovation, but also to safety and ease of use. By combining comfort, cutting-edge technology, and driver-assisted features, Musk painted a vision of the Cybertruck's interior as more than just a functional space. It became a cockpit designed for a comfortable and intuitive driving experience. The message was clear. The Cybertruck wasn't just redefining the exterior aesthetics and performance metrics. It was reshaping the very essence of what it means to sit behind the wheel of a truck. In this strategic move, Musk positioned the Cybertruck not just as a vehicle, but as an immersive experience, challenging the established norms and expectations in the realm of automotive interiors. In a nod to the growing emphasis on sustainability within the automotive industry, Elon Musk unveiled a subtle yet profound update to the Tesla Cybertruck, a robust commitment to eco-conscious practices. Breaking away from the traditional focus solely on performance metrics, Musk underscored the Cybertruck's dedication to minimizing its environmental footprint. The announcement resonated with a broader movement towards sustainability, reflecting a conscientious shift in the ethos of automotive manufacturing. At the heart of this commitment was Musk's revelation that the Cybertruck would incorporate a higher percentage of recycled materials than any other Tesla model before. This deliberate choice reflected a strategic push towards a more sustainable production process. By choosing recycled materials, Musk aimed to mitigate the environmental impact associated with vehicle manufacturing, addressing concerns about resource consumption and waste generation. This move wasn't merely a token gesture, it was a tangible step towards aligning Tesla with the evolving expectations of environmentally conscious consumers. This announcement had ripple effects beyond the Cybertruck itself. Musk's declaration signaled a broader commitment within Tesla to explore and implement sustainable practices in their manufacturing processes. As the automotive industry faces increased scrutiny regarding its environmental impact, Tesla's proactive stance positioned the Cybertruck not just as a technological marvel, but as a symbol of responsible and forward-thinking manufacturing. In this subtle yet significant update, Musk reinforced the idea that sustainability was no longer an optional feature, but an integral aspect of the next generation of vehicles. However, the real showstopper was Musk's announcement regarding the Cybertruck's autonomous capabilities. Beyond city streets, the Cybertruck can navigate rugged terrains and off-road trails, positioning it as one of the most technologically advanced vehicles in its category. With these updates, Tesla once again asserts its leadership in electric vehicle technology and sets new standards in automotive design and functionality. The distinct angular appearance of the Cybertruck, initially polarizing, now stands as a symbol of Tesla's refusal to adhere to traditional norms, akin to the bold designs of Bugatti and Lamborghini. In a dynamic electric truck market, Musk's strategy seems multi-pronged, aiming to captivate both existing truck enthusiasts and those who have never considered a truck before. The integration of the Cybertruck into the broader Tesla ecosystem, including solar products, envisions a future where the vehicle not only runs on sustainable energy, but also contributes to the home's power grid. While challenges like the global semiconductor shortage and regulatory complexities loom, the Cybertruck's pricing aims to make electric vehicles accessible to the mainstream market. As the Cybertruck's international reception unfolds, questions arise about its adaptability to different markets with varying road conditions.